Hi everybody, this is translation video part 2. Let's look at questions number 2. For each of the following, draw the image P prime of the object P. So this is image because you have prime here, and this is object under the stated translations. Okay, so you will notice that here are the few ways to describe translations. I think it should be no problem. Translation PQ. Oh, PQ. Here I have to write P and I have to write Q. Okay, PQ. So from here you will notice that how many steps. You will see an arrow over here. The arrow pointing this way, so we have to move this way. If the arrow is pointing this way, we have to go down like this. Okay, now we move this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, go to your right and then go up. 1, 2. Okay, this translation is actually a translations 5, 2. Means that this whole thing you are going to move this whole object to right 5 units followed by 2 units upwards. Okay. So there are a few ways to draw the image. Some students they like to do it this way. Okay, let's say I start count from A. 1. Okay, let me use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 units go up. 1, 2. Okay, so I know that this is point A prime. This is the image of point A. So some students they want to do it faster. They don't want to calculate every single point. Once they get the point A prime, then they can get B prime, C prime, D prime easily. So this is 2 units. Okay, let me use another color. 2 units go to right. So you just follow like this. Okay, this is A prime, 2 units. This is B prime. And then go down 2 units. Go down 1, 2. This is C prime. Then go to 1, 2, 3. Go to left, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is D prime. Then we just connect all together. Oops. So make sure you connect using a ruler so that you have a nice trapezium. Okay. So this way might be faster, but if the point A is not correct, you will get all wrong because after you getting the A prime, you start calculating from A prime, right? So if the A prime is not correct, all you will get wrong. So if you want to do another method which is more safe, you can do it this way. Calculate every single point. Okay, now once I get A prime, I start from B, calculate again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go up 1, 2. Okay, this is correct. Then I start again from C, go to C prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go up 1, 2. Okay, both methods are accepted. So it's okay you want to use the first method or second method as long as you get a correct answer. Second method take longer time because you calculate every single point, but it's more safe because after you plot all the points, you draw it, you notice that out of shape, it means that there are some mistakes. You will notice there are some mistakes, so you will recalculate again, see what is the error. Okay, now let's try B. Okay, this is the way how we describe a translation using a word. Translations are moving 3 units left, 3 units left, -3, followed by 2 units upward. Okay, so this is actually -3, 2. Okay, so I start calculate from point A. 3 units left. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 units go up. 1, 2. Okay. So this is image of point A. A prime. So now I think I just refer to this A prime to get the B prime, C prime, and D prime will be faster. So 2 units to your right. 1, 2. This will be B prime. and then 2 unit go down, 1 2. This is C prime, and from C go to left 3 units, 1 2 3. Okay, this is D prime. Then we connect all this point together. Okay, correct or not? Let me check. Let me try check the point D. 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, how about C? 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, correct. So this is the image of this object. Okay, I have one more over here. Three negative 4. Okay, normally you will see a lot of time you will see people describe a translation using that way. Most common way. 3, it means that 3 units to your right, and 4 negative 4, it means 4 units downward. Okay, so I start from here. A 3 units go to right, 1 2 3, and then 4 units go down, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is A prime. A prime, and B, A to B is 2 units to your right, 1 2. Okay, this is B prime. B to C, 2 units go down, 1 2. This is C prime, and C to D, 3 units go to left, 1 2 3. D prime. Okay, let me check few other points. How about I try point B? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, correct. How about C? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, correct. So this is the image of this object under this translation. Okay. In the diagram below, N is image. N is image. Okay, so let me label this as N. Okay, I think I just cancel this. Okay, just let it be. So this is the image. N is the image of object M. So this is image. You notice that you have a prime, 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 prime. So this is image. Now under a translation negative 4 3, draw the object M. So this one you have to be careful. Normally the question will ask us to draw the image. When you see this one, you know 4 steps go to left and 3 steps go upwards, right? But now the question gives you image, but you have to draw object. So we need to go another way. We need to go opposite way. Okay, let me write this way, explain to you easier. Now I have an object which is M. Undergo this translation, it becomes N. Now you are asked to draw M but not N. You need to go backward like this. So what should you do? If this way is negative 4 3, go this way, it will be opposite way, right? Will be 4, and positive 3 will become negative 3. Okay, let's try to draw the object. Means that we have to move this image 4 steps go to right, and then 3 steps go down. 1 2 3. Okay, let me draw. 1 2 3 4, and then go down 3 steps. 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the object, not A prime but A. And then okay, I start from here, will be faster. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 over here. So this is B, and then go down 1 2, and then go to your left 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so this is D. So I connect all this together. So this is M. This is object, this is image. So if you want to check whether you draw it correct or not, okay, try. Move this object 4 steps, go to left, 3 steps go up. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Correct. How about this? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, correct. So this is the way how we draw the object. So just be more careful. Look carefully. The questions ask you to draw the image of object or object. Or object. Okay, so if you're very confused, you can draw this. You can write this way, so easier for you to know how to move the image in order to get back the object. Okay, so let's try this one. Question number 4. For each of the following, state the coordinates of the image. We need to write the coordinate of image of the given point under the stated translation. Now we have a translation here, and this is object. We need to write the coordinate of the image. Now we don't have a diagram, so we cannot calculate like this. So if you want to draw a Cartesian plane, then you plot the point, then you calculate, also can, but it takes longer time. So another easier way to get the image of a translation is this way. So I would suggest you to do this way, will be easier. 3 0 and draw a line, and this is translation, which is -1 3. Okay, now this is object, this is image. Now I'll put a comma here. If you want to get the coordinate for the image, it's actually very easy. 3 minus 1, you get 2. If this is negative, you minus. If this is positive, you plus. If let's say you nothing here, okay, for example, look at this one. 0, and this is nothing. Nothing, it means plus. 0 plus 3, you get 3. So this is the image of this. So will be 2 3. Okay, so how about B? So this is A. How about B? Same thing. I write this way first, so easier for us to get the answer. So now I have 2 -3. Okay, -2 plus 2, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Oh, this is -3. Yes, correct. So 0 1. Okay, let me check again, correct or not. -2 plus 2 0 4 minus 3. Okay, correct. Okay, let's go to C. -1 6. Draw a line like this. 0 2. Okay. -1 plus 0 remain unchanged. -1. 6 plus 2 become 8. -1 to 8. Okay, so this is the way how we get the image, right? Very easy. You just need to be more careful when you see negative. Just be more careful. Especially here you have a negative, here you have a negative. Both negative together, you have to be more careful. Okay, now this is another way. Each of the following is the coordinate of the image. Now the question gives you image. Still remember just now I told you, if you want to get back object, you have to do opposite way, right? So -1 3, if you want to get back the object. Okay, now I don't know the object, I just let it be x and y. And this is -1 3. Image is 6 2. If I want to get back this, what should I do? Negative become positive, positive become negative. So 6 plus 1 will give you 7. And then 2 minus 3 will give you -1. So if you worried you will make mistake to do this way. Okay, let me write this one, 6 2. So you can do another way. Let's say you don't like to do this way, you can do this way. X, write an equation. X minus 1 is equal to 6. Then y plus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 6 plus 1. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 2 minus 3. Y is equal to -1. And then don't forget to write the answers over here. Coordinate 7, -1. you will get exactly the same answer. So it's all up to you. You want to do this way or this way. Okay, let's try B. Same things. Write a parentheses, and I don't know the coordinate. I just write X and Y first. Write an arrow, and this is 2, -3, and now I have -1, 3. So if you want to go backward to get back the image, to get back the object, okay, go this way, go backwards. So it will become -2, +3. Okay, -1. This one you have to be careful. -1, -2 will give you -3, right? Okay, 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Okay, so this is -3, 6. Okay, let me double check again, correct or not. -3 plus 2, -1, yes. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, correct. Okay, let's try part C. Same thing. I don't know the coordinate of the image, of the object. I just write X and Y. Draw an arrow, and then I have 0, 2. I have the image, which is -2, -4. But now I want to get the coordinate for the object. I need to go backwards. Okay, I write over here. 0 will still remain unchanged. +2 will become -2. Okay. -2 plus 0 will still remain unchanged. -2. -4 minus 2, -6. -2, -6. Okay, let's double check. -2 plus 0, -2. -6 plus 2, -4. Okay, correct our answer. Okay, let's try the last one. Each of the following is the coordinate of the object and image. Under a translation, state the translation. Now we need to state the translation. So same thing, we can do it this way. For part A, 2, 3, draw a line. I don't know the translation involved here. You can just give 2 alphabets. Let's say, for example, just write X and Y. If you don't want, you can just write H and K. All up to you. You just use 2 variables to represent it. HK, let's say. -1, -2. You can calculate mentally. If you worry that you will make mistake, you can do this way. 2 plus H. 2 plus H will give you -1. Okay, one equation. 3 plus K will give you -2. Okay, then this is just simple linear equation, right? It should be no problem to get the answers. Okay, -3, and the K is -2 minus 3 will give you -5. And don't forget to write in the this vector form, -3. Okay, remember H on the top and the K at the bottom here. Okay, let's double check. 2 minus 3, -1, yes, correct. 3 minus 5 will give you -2. Okay, correct. Okay, let's try B. Object, draw a line, image. Oh, 2, 6. 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6. Same thing. I don't know the translations involved. I just let be A and B. If you use B, you have to be more careful because B look like 6. 0 plus A is equal to 2. Okay, 4 plus B is equal to 6. Okay, then A is equal to 2 minus 0. A is equal to 2. And B, this is B, not 6, be careful. 6 minus 4. B is equal to this is 2. Okay, so the translation is 2, 2. Let's check correct or not. 0 plus 2 give you 2, correct. 4 plus 2 give you 6. Okay, correct. Okay, let's try last one. Same thing. copy the coordinate of the object first, draw a line, and then write the coordinate of the image. Okay, choose two variables that you like. Okay, how about this time we try PQ. Negative 2 plus P will give you negative 5. So 4 plus Q will give you 2. 4 plus Q will give you 2. Okay, now P is equal to negative 5 plus 2. P is equal to negative 3. And then Q is equal to 2 minus 4, right? Oh, not enough space. So Q, can you see? Okay, should be no problem. 2 minus 4, negative 2. Okay, don't forget to write over here the answers. P on the top, Q at the bottom. Negative 3, negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2. So it's better that we double check again to see any mistake. Negative 2 minus 3, you get negative 5, correct. 4 minus 2, you get 2, correct. Okay, so this is the way how we get translations and then object and also the coordinate of image. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully you understand better after watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.